to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle, and today we're going to be working a little bit on cartooning. So we are going to be making this little tiger here. I think it is a really cute project. And basically, I'm just going to be teaching you a few basic ways to turn an animal into kind of a cartoon. So some rules you can follow to help you, and you can basically apply everything we do with this tiger to any animal you can think of. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow, and let's get started.
Wonderful. So the first thing we're going to do is create that circle. So you can grab any household item that's circular that you have. I just grabbed a planter from IKEA that we had laying around. So I'm just going to trace that circle. And so just make sure you hold it in place and just trace around that shape. Wonderful. So now we're going to make our tiger. Whenever we're creating a cartoon, we always like to follow a few basic rules. So for me and this tiger and kind of this series of animals that I've drawn, they have very square shapes. So we're going to make our tiger's face very squared off. So I'm just going to do a U shape, but make those corners really pointy. And then I'll add the ears. So for the ears, we're going to do two little rainbows. And then we're going to attach the rainbows with a straight line. And the reason I'm doing this is just to make my tiger look more like a cartoon. So it's not really a tiger shape, but all of the colors we're going to add and the way we're going to design the face will make it look more like a tiger. Then I'm going to do two curved lines, bringing those lines down to the bottom of the circle. And then I'm going to add a tail. So tigers have these nice long tails that are rounded at the end. So you can just make a little worm attached to your tiger. Wonderful, and then I'm going to draw in the belly. So we're going to do two lines going from the neck down. Amazing, then we're going to do the little rainbows in the ears, so you can just add the little marks in the ears. And then for the face, we're going to do an upside down triangle for the nose. So you can just draw that upside down triangle. Sorry, my hand's covering it there a little bit, and I just colored it in. And then for the mouth, I just did a line right under that and then two lines going out on either side like that. I added little whiskers on the side as well because tigers are cats and they have whiskers. And then to give it more of a snout look, I did two little lines going up on either side of my nose at the top of the triangle. Then we're going to add the two eyes. So I just did two little dots. And then for the stripe pattern, this is also a great way to make your characters all kind of match. I'm going to do the same pattern. So I'm going to do a little U, a long U, and a little U for my stripe pattern. So little U, long U, little U. So again, little U, a long U, a little U. And if you want to create your own style, you definitely can. You can just create your own pattern of stripes. So if you want your stripes to be, you want lots of stripes or you want your stripes to be pointy instead of curved, you can definitely do that. I just like to follow this rule for my characters, but again, you can do it however you'd like to. So then we're going to finish those stripes, add some stripes in the tail, make sure you don't forget about the tail. And a fun fact about tigers is that all of their stripes are completely different on every single tiger. It's kind of like their fingerprint. So their stripe patterns are completely unique to the tiger. So then I filled them in with some Sharpie. I added some little hairs in the ears and hairs on the chest. Then I created this vine that goes all the way around my tiger. So you can do that if you'd like to, or you can add flowers, or you can make it more of like a picture frame. It's totally up to you. I just like this little leaf effect. So I just did little leaves all the way around my circle. And then you can color it in. So I'm just going to take an orange and color in my tiger. I'm going to leave those ears white, the inside of the ears, and around the nose white as well, and the belly white. But everything else we're going to color in orange for our tiger. And then you can choose a color for your background, and you can color in your little vines. And then once you're done, that's it. I hope you loved making your tiger with me. Please send me a photo. I would love to see them. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow. We post new videos every week.